First tonight, though, breaking news. The state of Michigan reporting its first case of monkeypox as a global outbreak hits home. Good evening. Thank you for joining us here at 11. I'm Dave LEWALLEN. It's not anything like COVID, but doctors say everyone needs to be aware of the potential health threat. Michigan could soon turn from gray to blue on this CDC map, showing nearly 30 other states where the monkeypox disease is now confirmed. The first probable case of monkeypox here is under investigation tonight in Oakland County. 7 Action News reporter DARREN Cunningham talked with experts about what to look out for and who may be most at risk.
Medical professionals I spoke with say there's a need to be aware, but no need to panic. We're told the person suspected of having monkeypox here in Oakland County is isolating and does not pose a risk to the public.
Were we ready for this? Were we prepared for this? I think COVID has taught us to kind of be in a readiness state at all times.
I spoke with Dr. Calandra Green with the Oakland County Health Division about the first probable case of monkeypox in Michigan, which was found in Oakland County.
Are there any concerns that this person may have infected others?
That's still part of the case investigation.
She says she can't say much in order to protect the patient's privacy, but Green says the patient, who is in isolation, presented rashes, one of the many symptoms.
Symptoms of monkeypox include fever, headache, muscle aches and backaches, swollen lymph nodes, chills, exhaustion, but a rash that can look like pimples or blisters that appear on the face. They can be inside the mouth, on other parts of the body.
She says it spreads through direct contact with those rashes or bodily fluids and during sex. I also spoke with Beaumont infectious diseases specialist, Dr. Matthew Sims.
It's contact with the lesions. But it's being spread through the sexual act. And right now it seems more with, men who have sex with men. Frequently some of the initial symptoms are right around, the anus, or that's where the rash has been appearing.
The health department says it's working with close contacts of the patients. The good news?
Over 99% of people who've gotten this form of the disease are likely to survive.
Dr. Green says the CDC is currently testing the probable case to confirm. DARREN Cunningham, 7 Action News.
DARREN, thank you, and count on 7 Action News for continuing coverage of monkeypox in Michigan. We have a list of symptoms and precautions on WXYZ.com.